Guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about another Depin project that falls under the AI category and has received significant funding from the market. I will give you a complete step-by-step guide on how to participate in it. Watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The name of this project is OpenLoop. It is a decentralized bandwidth project, and its followers have already crossed 118,000. The project is very strong in terms of community. On the 18th December, they updated that the OpenLoop node validator's sale is officially live, meaning you can start earning by running a node. If you check further, it is backed by IPN-FDN, which has 56,000 followers. It provides a decentralized internet service, and you can verify this on their Twitter handle. OpenLoop has also tweeted about its progress, and its funding is visible on the CryptoRank website, where they have raised $15 million. The airdrop is confirmed and is currently in the testnet phase. Once the mainnet launches, you will receive rewards. As I mentioned, the IPN Foundation has funded this project. Now let's discuss how to participate in it. It's simple. I will provide the link. Open the link and you will land on the sign-up page. Here's what to do. Enter your username. Enter your email address. Create and confirm your password. The referral code will be entered automatically. Now click on Create Account. After creating your account, log in using the same email address and password. Once logged in, you will see an interface. First, click on the Link Wallet option and connect your Phantom wallet. Once linked successfully, you'll see an option to run a node. Click on Node Validator and you will see that the sale is live. Next, click on Tasks and Rewards. You'll see an Install button here. Clicking on it will direct you to an extension page. Download and install the extension. If you're using a mobile device, use the Kiwi browser to add the extension to Chrome. Once installed, log in using your email address and password. After logging in, your account will show as connected. You will see details like network quality, which depends on your internet connection. Initially, your points will show as 0, but they will start updating over time. Now, click on the Tasks section. Here, you can see tasks like liking on Twitter, retweeting, joining Discord and Telegram. Each task will reward you with 200 points. These are basic social media tasks that you can easily complete. Once you finish a task, you'll see a green tick indicating it's completed. You also have a referral option. Click on it to get your referral link, which you can use to invite others and increase your points. Your updated points will be visible on your dashboard. For now, this is all you need to do. Follow the process exactly as I have explained. Any updates regarding the project will be shared in upcoming videos. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell notification. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.